So hello guys, I am Dhaval Visariya, a developer by profession and a mutual fund distributor. If you have any queries regarding mutual funds, PMS, AIF, bonds, FDs and all, then feel free to contact me. So yeah, we are going in NISM series 15, mock test number 13. So yeah, आप कुछ करो या ना करो, ये 600 MCQs एक बार देख के जाना. 80% of the MCQs are coming from these sheets only. Okay. Generally, during the expansion of economy, the unemployment rate is false. One can see low consumer confidence during recession. Which of this information would constitute as an insider information? The managing director mentioning about an acquisition proposal not yet disclosed to the public. A research analyst has assessed the fair value of a share ABC Limited to be quite low than its current market price. What would be the appropriate way to express this in a research report? All of the above. A company has 1.5 lakh outstanding shares. Its EPS is 8 and book value per share is 40. What is the return on equity? This is a short formula. If you know this, then answer would become directly it's 20%. Identify the approach which can be used to arrive at the fair value of an asset by comparing it with the smaller asset in the market. Which of the following best defines the Consumer Price Index (CPI)? It is a basket of commodity used goods and service price using retail rates in the economy. The terminal value can be found using dash when cash flow are expected to grow steadily forever after the high growth phase end. A a perpetuity growth method. Which of the following act has an entry barrier for a new business trying to enter a market? All of the above. Which of the following types of entries are required to follow SEBI regulation? Only listed companies. Described employee stock option plan. ESOPs are instruments given by a company to its employees which gives them as option to buy the share of a company at predetermined price after period of time. Dash can have a negative impact on the banking industry, increasing interest rate. EPS, calculate the EPS. Sell 2 lakh, COGS 20, operating expense 75,000, interest would be 20,000, tax is 30%, shares outstanding shares would be 5,000. So what is the EPS? If sales is 2 lakh, then COGS would be 40,000, operating is 75, interest 20, pre-tax income 65,000, tax would be 30% of 65k would be 19,500. What would be the net profit? 45,500. Then EPS would be 45. EPS yani earning per share. How many shares we have? We have 5,000 shares. So divide them to earning. Then answer would be 9.10. Which of this is a formula to calculate earning yield? Earning per share divided by current stock price. Identify the true statement with respect to communication by a research analyst to the client. A research analyst shall not engage in any communication with a client in the presence of personnel from investment banking division about an ongoing investment banking service transaction. Dash trend is temporary but unpredictable. Cyclic. Dash are cyclical business, both of the above. Stock price 50, debt 500 million, cash 500 million, shares 70 million. EV by EBITDA, if EBITDA is 500 million, answer would be 7.8x. Using this formula, you can get the answer. We have to get a ratio. What is EV by EBITDA? Then how many times? 7.8 times. All the other things remain same. If a stock has a high E ratio as compared to its peer group companies, it is considered as expensive. Identify the statement which is correct about investors. A focus on investor is on the potential of increase in the asset value over a long period. When an investor takes a loan against securities known as pledge of shares, equity of rupees 5 lakh, ROE is 25, net profit margin 20, calculate the sales 6 lakhs 25,000. Using net profit will be 25% of 5 lakh, answer would be 125. Uh, Profit margin अपन को sales find करना है तो using profit margin formula we can also get sales, then sales equals to 6 lakhs 25,000. Which of this can be termed as capitalization of reserves? Insurance of bonus shares. What is the role of sell side analyst? They are employed by the firms which provide advisory service, broking service, investment banking service, etc. What does investing on the basis of margin of safety mean? Investing in security which are underpriced by market. So we have completed the test series number 13. So yeah, if you have any queries regarding this, free will to contact me and comment down below. Okay. All the best, guys. Thank you.